Changing the candlestick in the MetaTrader 4 application is a pretty simple thing to do, and I will be telling you exactly the right thing, the right steps in order to gain and edit the uh, candlesticks. So if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share. So open up your MetaTrader application, and I will be providing the MetaTrader application link in the description below so you guys can download it and check it out and get started with it. So all you need to do is to go to the market watch. In the market watch section, simply go ahead and click on the currency that you want to see the chart window, and right click on it and then click on the chart window. That will be chart window will be open right here, and in here simply go ahead and on the click the right button on the mouse, and over here you can select between candlesticks or press Alt and 2 to open up the candles. So here right now, you guys can see that I'm able to show the candlesticks right over here. But if I want to customize it, how can I do that? Simply right click using the mouse on the chart, and you will see the properties option underneath the bottom. So once you do that, all you have to do is to change the color of the candlesticks as per your requirement and desire. So by doing that, you will be able to change the candlesticks. For example, it says the bar down with a lime color. I don't want the lime color, I can go with a yellow color. So I'm just gonna go and select yellow and press OK. And you will see that every time the bar goes down, the color is yellow. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.